What does Jonah have to say to everybody? What do you want to say to everybody? What? What else?
Hey. He is videotaping Jonah. Yeah, he's talking. Yes, he is very talkative tonight.
What else?
Yeah, hold on 1 second. It's Josh.
Oh, my bad.
He's probably right back. Okay.
And he
sorry.
threw up, and that's all we got. After the throw up, after throwing up, what else do you have to say? Anything else? Want to say goodbye to everybody?
Hi, baby. Oh.
And he farts. And
That's not good to put on tape. Do you think that's funny? Is that so funny? Yeah. Oh, goodness.